slow as fuck though. This is what we're recording on though. It's the 360 Go, which is pretty fucking sick. We're gonna get in some pulls in a bit. Just wait. This dude got some cool ass fucking roads. Our boy Luis got some nice roads, kind of like toge style, if you think of it. So hopefully we don't fucking crash. You know? Still got the downshift though. We still got it. Alright, this is where the roads get a little fun. If there's no fucking cars in front of us. I'm fine.
I heard the sound, so I was like, oh god. Yeah. I will. You're gonna have to get a...
okay, I got my
No, I'm not gonna call. I just... Because you really fast.
Yeah, I did not do my fucking license to,
A couple of weeks ago, the same thing happened to a chick. Her car was completely on the side. They had a... You're not getting out of here. They're gonna have to get a tow.
Is it bad or you want me to try to pull it out with the winch? Can you?
Yeah.
Alright, perfect.
Yeah, your uncle? Oh.
Hey, your bag looks okay. I'm retarded. I fucked it up. Okay, you need to go inside. Me inside the yellow car? Yeah, go inside if you can. Alright. And put on the brakes. Put on the brakes? Yeah, hang on 1 second. I'm going to back out my Jeep and then we'll pull it out. So what I'm going to do... Shit. Put on... Okay, airbag is fucked. All this other shit is fucked. The frame is different. This guy, bro. Look at this shit. Right there? It's Jenny and Ruby.
I figured that's what happened. They got it on the top.
He fucked it pretty bad.
I can tell.
Look at the front.
How are you being? I'm shaking.
That's how I was driving too.
Yeah, we'll pull it up a little bit with the stop sign.
Nah, the driver, I think I opened them because there was hella smoke in there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, hella
shit.
He's like, I'm glad
Oh, I should probably put the e-brake on. Huh? Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you're vlogging already.
Pongo la breca. No.
Oh shit! Somebody record me. I need to do my job. Ruby, hold my phone.
He's all up in his face.
It's for the vlog.
A putear más el bump.
No, está bien. Lo voy a tirar. Creo.
Sorry.
¿Le pongo la breca? No. No, está bien, que lo voy a tirar.
Déjale más para atrás.
Watch out, this might just pop
Oh
out.
my god. Oh wait, Brian, do that again. Oh!
I thought Luis wanted that.
Todo quebrado. Yeah,
Can I kick it too?
Yeah.
Oh, hell no.
Alright, come on, personal interviews for the insurance.
My name is Marcos Michelle.
Witness?
I arrived to the scene at 10 p.m.
Yeah. Alright, next.
My name is Marco
You went
Cherez.
too slow, come on.
Ask questions.
Too late.
sign
Oh my god, never mind.
I did not give you permission to film.
Yeah, dwarfs in the nature. We in the country.
Yeah, it's rude. I'm not rude.
I'm scared for my life right now. In the middle of nowhere. I don't know where I'm at. It's dark. It's cold.
In the country? Fuck the country.
Ask a question, dumbass. Oh, sorry. So, what do you feel about...
I'll ask the questions. How
So
fast
how-
are you going?
What do
On
you,
your
do
ride.
you support Palestine or Gaza?
Okay.
And what's your opinion about that?
Oh, my.
I just want to say
I can't see shit.
Brian, delete this. You're not inclusive to the vlog, Brian. Cut. This is marketeers talking. Ooh, he's reversing.
Let's go.
No, hold on, it's a good view right here.
Bro, that's good.